Let's go. Yes! Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! Ah, holy f. We came to some construction site and there's a huge sand. How can I say this? So I'm gonna climb this sand and I will take some my Senton videos. So okay, let's do it. Oh. It was too hard to climb this sand here, and my partner changed the tire to pedal tire. After change the tire, we will show the video. Hey dude, how do you think you can do it? Do you think can you do it? Okay, let's go. Whew. Let's go. Adjusting camera position. Yes. Okay. Hey. Hey, Dad. You have bad blind skin. Cool. I try again. Let's go. Okay. I guess that you put the filter. Bring it. Whoa! Okay, let's go. Oh yes! Oh my gosh! Yeah! Yeah, you made it! Oh! Oh yes! Hey dude, you made it! Oh, oh yeah! Woo! Wow! Finally, he made a good shot. Yes. Yes. Finally, he made it here, and he playing in the sand here. So I have to film that. Okay. Let's go. Holy sh! Oh. Holy sh! Oh! Come on, come on, come on, come on! Hey dude, what are you doing? Oof. Okay, yeah. Come on, come on. Let's go! Oh! Woo! Yeah, Senton looks good. Yes, go. Hey dude, footage. No footage. Okay, let's go. Yes! Whoa! Oh my God! Whoa! Ah, holy fucking crap! Yeah. Okay. Oh. but I could have the great scene. Whew. I think this video is good. Would be very nice video. Oh. Hey dude.
Very good.
Oh
my
good
god.
stop.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah. You guys, can you see this front bumper? Oh. Hey dude, we have a spare part?
Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna change this part and let's keep playing. See you soon.
Oh my god.
We carry just 2 batteries, so we must use one and another one is gone now. So see you next video. Bye.
Bye.